Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So ChatGPT just recently released their plugins to ChatGPT Plus users. So this tutorial would be about how to turn them on for if you have a ChatGPT Plus account, which you can see that we have one here. So let's get started. First of all, you will want to go to the left bottom corner and where you see your account email. Then you will click into settings and go to beta features. There is the web browsing plugin as you can see here, so turn that on if you want to try it out. There's also other plugins here, so just turn that on. Also, if you already have a chat, just try to create a new one. And as you can see, there's new buttons here right now. Previously, it was a drop down for GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. Right now, there's two buttons for you to toggle. And so the plugins are only available when it comes to GPT-4. As you can see, there's the browsing one here. So if you're interested in trying that out, you just click on that. I'm not going to try it out here right now because it's kind of slow. But let's just focus on how to use the plugins in this video. And if you're interested in other plugins, you can go to plugins. And we have no plugins enabled right now. So you would go here and then go into plugin store, then install the plugin that you're interested in, then close this window, and as you can see, it's already available here. So you can turn it on and off by checking this box. And yeah, right now you can just use it, just ask it a question, or you can just try out other plugins too. As you can see, I'll say GPT-4 currently still has a cap of 25 messages every 3 hours. So definitely make good use of that. And yeah, this is pretty much the tutorial. Pretty short. Next time I am gonna do another tutorial or like a video on comparing different um, like Bing, Bard, and this GPT-4 browsing feature. So if you're interested, remember to subscribe, and hopefully this video was useful. So like and subscribe, please. Thank you very much.